Hello friends, welcome back to channel. So we were discussing about disk space utilization alert or error. Okay, so if you see, we are having a disk space utilized in this system is 97% under slash. So in previous video we have discussed about the du command. Okay, but today we will discuss about the find command. Using find command, we have to find how many files in a file system is having a size of greater than 1 GB. So find a path slash and type should be file. Okay, and we'll filter by size plus 1 G. So it will go and find all the files which is having size greater than or equal to 1 GB. It got only one file. Okay, du-sh. The size of this file is 1.1 GB. Okay, now if I don't want 1 GB, I want which is greater than 500 MB. Okay, only this file is having size of 500 MB, and if I do 50 MB, there will be much more file which are having size of greater than 50 MB. Okay, so using this method, file command, you will be able to find with the file size. So using this command, you are able to see. Now we'll go df-h and it's showing 97 GB, and when we find one file which is having sample under slash root. Let's go and see. This is the file which is consuming most of the space. Now we'll check it is required or not. If it is not required, what we'll do, rm sample.txt, or else what we'll do, nullify greater than symbol and sample.txt is got. Now if you do greater than 1 GB, you will not get anything. See, or if you do greater than 500 or 50 MB, you will find much more files. This is the only one thing. Now if you see, df-h is having 85% utilized, which is 7 GB of use space. Now as we know, most of the system logs are on var log. Okay, here we are having logs of message, mail, secure, everything. But if you are able to see, these are the cron log, but it is getting rotate. See, new file is getting create. It is not getting zip by default. Okay, dmessage.old. So we can zip that old file. But how to zip these things with a one by one is not possible. Gzip, and if you notice, every file is having hyphen then 2023, 2024. Okay, so what we'll do, star hyphen 202, because 23 and 24 both will get covered. Now we'll do ll. If you are able to see, zip, zip, zip. Never zip this file, because if you zip that file again, file extension will get changed and log will not get written. So only old file which is having extension of 202 hyphen, okay, got zip. Now we'll see df-h and slash. Okay, it's still, because we have not zipped any major file, we just zip few file. But in a corporate you will find much more logs, like it message size should go by 1, 2, 3 GB, sometimes 10 GB. Mail logs also is getting increased. We are not utilizing this system that much, that's why it's not showing this. So using a find command, you can find file with size like where under very. Okay, we are having one directory here, packages is showing cd on this. Okay, it's a file. Okay, this file is having size of greater than 50 MB, 66 MB, that's why it's showing. So you can find using this command with the size, and these two command is very useful to find a particular file in a file system is getting full. So in our previous video we were talking about a command called du-ah, like du-ah slash where. Okay, and whatever is coming we have to short it hyphen in reverse manner, and RH, and we have to do head -5 top 5 file. Okay, see, top consuming file is this, and this second command is find. So these are the two commands which is very helpful to find file system utilization and correcting if required to delete, zip, or which file is consuming most of the space in the directory. I think it's clear to you. If you are having any question, any doubt, you are free to use comment box. I will try to answer your question. Keep learning. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.